In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to underline text in Google Vids. Whether you're new to Google's suite of products or an experienced user looking to refine your skills, you'll find this tutorial incredibly helpful. Underlining text can add emphasis and clarity to your documents, and I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. Let's begin by navigating to Google Vids. For those unfamiliar, Google Vids is part of Google's Workspace, an integrated suite of secure, cloud-native collaboration and productivity apps, including Gmail, Docs, and Drive. To get started, simply open your preferred web browser and type in the Google Vids URL, or search for Google Vids through your search engine. Once you've reached the Google Vids homepage, your next step is to sign in. Look for the Sign In button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on it will prompt you to choose the Google account you wish to use. If you're already signed in to your Google account on your browser, this step may be slightly different, showing your account as a suggestion. Click on your account to proceed further. Following the login, you'll now have access to your Google Vids dashboard. From here, we dive into the actual task at hand, underlining text. Start by opening the document you wish to edit or create a new one if needed. Once your document is open and you've found the text you want to underline, it's time to highlight it. Click and drag your mouse over the text to select it. You'll know the text is selected when it's highlighted in blue or another visually distinct color. With your text now highlighted, direct your attention to the toolbar at the top of the document. Here you'll find the Format menu. If you're using Google Vids for the first time, this toolbar will feature a variety of options, including font style, size, formatting options like bold, italic, and underlining, and more. Click on Format to reveal a drop-down menu with various formatting choices. Within the Format drop-down menu, you'll see an option labeled Text. Hovering over Text will expand another sub-menu where you'll find various text formatting options. Look for the Underline option. It's typically represented by a U with a line beneath it, reminiscent of the universal symbol for underlining in most word processors and text editing software. Click on Underline to apply this formatting to your selected text. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully underlined text in your Google Vids document. This simple yet effective formatting technique can be used to draw attention to key points, indicate titles or headings, or simply add stylistic flair to your document. Before wrapping up, I'd like to offer a couple of additional tips. First, remember that underlining text isn't the only way to emphasize or differentiate it. Google Vids also allows you to italicize, bold, and change the color of your text, each of which can serve to enhance your document's readability and visual appeal. Experiment with these different formatting options to find what works best for the specific needs of your document. Finally, it's worth noting that good formatting is crucial for creating professional-looking documents. While underlining text is a valuable tool in your formatting toolbox, be mindful not to overuse it. Too much underlining can make a document look cluttered and may detract from its overall readability. As with all formatting choices, the key is balance. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial on how to underline text in Google Vids. Whether you're drafting a report, composing an article, or simply jotting down notes, I hope you'll find this skill enhances your writing and editing process. Happy creating, and see you in the next video.